Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you 5 quick fixes for Microsoft Store not working. Let's start with the first fix. Go to the Start menu and open Settings. Then click on System. Now select Recovery from the left side. Scroll down to the section called Fix Problems using Windows Update. Click on Reinstall now. Windows will reinstall the latest updates and fix any missing or damaged files related to the Microsoft Store. Don't worry, this will not change your personal files or any settings on your PC. After it's done, restart your computer and check if the Microsoft Store is working again. If that didn't help, let's move to the second fix. Open the Run box by pressing Windows key plus R. Type WS Reset and press Enter. A blank command prompt window will open for a few seconds. After that, the Microsoft Store will launch automatically. This process clears the store cache, which often fixes loading or update problems. Now for the third fix. Open Settings again and go to Apps. Then click on Installed Apps or Apps and Features, depending on your Windows version. Scroll down and find the Microsoft Store. Click on the 3 dots next to it, then choose Advanced Options. Scroll down and click on Repair. If the issue continues, click on Reset. After resetting, open the store and sign in again if needed. Let's move on to the fourth fix. This time, we'll check the date and time settings. An incorrect date or time can stop the Microsoft Store from connecting to its servers. Open Settings, then select Time and Language. Click on Date and Time. Make sure Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically are both turned on. Then click on Sync Now to update your system time. Once done, close Settings and open the Microsoft Store again to see if it's working. Finally, the fifth fix. If none of the previous steps worked, you can re-register the Microsoft Store using PowerShell. Search for PowerShell in the Start menu, right-click it, and select Run as administrator. Then copy and paste this command. Press Enter and wait for it to finish. Once done, restart your computer and try opening the Microsoft Store again. That's it. Thanks for watching.